In this TubeMatic review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to spy on YouTube ads and copy them for yourself so that you can make affiliate commissions from a proven method that's already working. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out TubeMatic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, if you could turn $5 into $200, how many times would you do it? Revolutionary spy software and traffic system makes us $257 in passive commissions daily. First timers are making three figures in as little as 24 hours with this. So some pretty big claims here on the sales page, but they've got the proof to back it up here. You can uncover high converting ads on YouTube instantly, uncover high converting campaigns to replicate. So not only the ads, but you can see where they're sending the traffic to, uncover high converting landing pages and then replicate them, uncover exact ad copies, zero video creation needed. You can use other people's content for this, attract buyers, generate sales, 100% beginner friendly, done for you campaigns to copy, and a real case study with results for you to follow. So if you want like a real example of what's actually working, then you can check that out. Here's one here, some like a real results here from Anna, who says she's launched her first ad campaign last night for £5 a day. I don't know, what is that, like $6, $7 a day? And she woke up today seeing the results in her ClickBank account. It was less than 15 hours since the campaign started. You can see here she spent about $5 maybe. Again, you can do the currency conversion, and she's making 131. So spend about $5, make 131. I mean, that's pretty good. Really great results here. Here's some more. They're showing some weekly ClickBank shots here. I don't know if this is all from the software, but this is money that they're making here. Here's some more ones here. Okay, so $5 ad spend, they're able to make $200 commissions overnight. So this is Dpapa. That's actually Demetrius's account here, and you can see here they labeled it with TubeMatic. So the traffic was coming in through there, and they were actually able to monitor that there as well. So that's pretty cool that they actually took their software for a spin and made some money with it. So step one, use their software to uncover high converting ads on YouTube. Step two, use their done for you templates and step-by-step blueprint to set up your first campaigns. And then they say you can make money in as little as 24 hours. I mean, some people have, of course, it's not guaranteed. Never is with any of these things. Top converting traffic, YouTube traffic, it's great. We all know that. Amazing return on investment. You can see here money that they've made here. So real commissions coming in here. That's great. Here's daily like email subscribers. Again, I don't know if this is all from that, but you can see an increase in his leads coming in here. Huge time saver, laser targeting, reach more customers, etc. Here's big screenshots of his JVZoo. But again, that doesn't mean that he made all this from there, right? These are big like screenshots here in general, but yeah, that's the software. You've got the again, you've got the extract money making videos and use for your own campaigns, easily build lists of engaged subscribers and followers, discover top channels running ads, eliminate guesswork, scrape profitable keywords and tags, and done for you winning campaigns here. So that's the front end product. They got a bunch of bonuses here, etc. There's two versions. There's a personal and a commercial. Most people get the commercial. It's a little bit more, and you get a bunch of extra stuff with it. Right now, the price is $37. Of course, that could go up during the launch period and after. So don't, just because you see the price here, don't think that that's going to be the price. It's whatever price you see when you come to this page. Okay, I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you again the backend area and the upgrades.
If you've been struggling for great results online, it pretty much comes down to just two things: traffic and monetizing that traffic as quickly and efficiently as possible. The good news is now there's a software and system that automates both, and the results from both beginners and experts are mind-blowing. So if you'd like to know how to turn $5 into $200 over and over, you're in the right place at the right time. Hey, I'm Demetrius, and I've been a full-time digital marketer since 2012. My business partner Alex and I started using YouTube ads a few years now because we realized that almost 50.9% of B2B decision makers use YouTube to research purchases. That makes it the most used social platform for this purpose, outranking even Facebook and LinkedIn. If you're marketing to other businesses, you can reach top decision makers on YouTube because 70% of viewers bought a product from a brand after seeing it on YouTube. And YouTube is a place where you can turn penny clicks into buyer leads and commissions very easily without even creating any videos. Yes, that's right. Zero video creation is needed to make this work. We've managed to automate that old manual process of finding high converting ClickBank affiliate offers or even e-com products that are running right now on YouTube ads, where you now also have the chance of tapping into this money making platform yourself. We developed a revolutionary push button spy software that eliminates guesswork and reveals to you winning ad campaigns you can use yourself in less than 60 seconds. The TubeMatic app does what nothing else does. It spies on your competition in any niche, then delivers you the exact ads, offers, landing pages, banners, campaigns, and keywords that are already converting for your immediate competition in any niche. So within minutes, you can have your own lucrative, done-for-you campaigns running for massive ROI. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner. First-time users have been making profits in as little as 24 hours. This is also perfect if you're an experienced marketer looking to scale or open up additional income streams. Let me show you how easy the software makes generating traffic, leads, and commissions from absolute scratch. First, we're going to find an offer we want to promote. So let's use ClickBank as an example. So if I click on the magnifying glass, I'll be able to find the top 10 products on here. So for example, if I wanted to promote something like called Java Burn, I would head over and I'll enter in the keywords, click on find, and this is going to pull ads that are running right now that I can get information from. Now these ads you'll be able to generate and see how many views and the most popular video that you can use also to promote on, so you don't have to create, but you also get details from this channel on how many more ads they're running on what other products, but also the actual landers of the products that they're promoting. So this is an advertorial page that we found that they're promoting a ClickBank offer that we can go out and replicate. And this is Java Burn for ClickBank. So this way, we are uncovered our winning ads that are running right now for this specific channel. You'll be able to see what other ads they're running with other products that they might be promoting. You can see the ad copy plus all the details about the ad and how it looks. You also get ad placements where you'll be able to find channels that are running the actual product on their channels. So you can get in front of channels and videos when you're creating your ads. You can basically choose all, and this is going to save you time and effort in entering it in your campaigns and being in front of buyers and following our training inside TubeMatic. Isn't that awesome? You too can have multiple income streams from multiple affiliate and CPA platforms. Our included step-by-step training and our secret 3-step blueprint formula makes it easy and fun. There's nothing technical to learn or figure out. The software automates 99% of the process, and we walk you through the rest by even giving you access to high converting done-for-you templates you can use for yourself. Below this video, you'll see personal results from using TubeMatic for one of our campaigns, which has been proven for months for our own affiliate businesses. If it's working for us, then it can work for you. Right now, you get a lifetime access for a single one-time fee, but you must hurry because soon the price will jump to a monthly subscription. You're also getting several profit-boosting bonuses included with your license. We're so confident you'll love TubeMatic that you're covered by our no questions asked money-back guarantee. Test drive it yourself for 30 days, and if you don't love it, your money back. It's that simple. If you're ready for a real traffic solution that gets you in front of real buyers and one that lets you earn passive commissions and build your list at the same time, that's backed by proven results and the best support in the business, then grab your license now while this one-time special price lasts. Please scroll down now for your instant access to TubeMatic. Thank you, and see you inside.
So this is the back-end area here. We can search for stuff. I've been playing around with it. Like I just searched for like make money online. You can see I found like this video here, video ads, and I can see what the actual ads are, what the actual funnel is for these. I can see how many views, how many likes, the last seen. It's pulling up invalid date here. I'm not sure why, but it's you can see here that you can actually go through and take a look at all these different campaigns, YouTube ads, saved YouTube ads, ad placements here, all that you can use inside of the software. Now, they've got multiple upgrades. The first one here is why limit yourself to YouTube ads when you can also spy on your competition running Google search ads. So you can upgrade for this. It's not too expensive to upgrade this one. The next one here is stay ahead of your competition. You can let it uncover ads for you every day on complete autopilot. So if you want the autopilot version, you can get this one. The next one here is you can get 40 done for you landing pages revolving top ClickBank offers and generate unlimited leads using this three-step blueprint. So if you want like a blueprint and you want the more done for you, then you can get this one. Next one here, it says get my you can look. Oh, you can get it for half off. Okay, so look, this is the light version of this. So I think you get some less stuff, but if that price was too high for you, you can get a downsell on this one. And the last one here, it says your first $2,000 a month blueprint with our done for you agency package. So this is an agency package, so you have the full rights to like resell services here. Done for you agency site template, 2,000 a month checklist, add up to 10 clients to sell your services to, blueprints for finding clients, 100% commissions, etc., etc. So all these OTOs completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about TubeMatic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, you're just because you get this doesn't mean you're going to be making $257 a day. That's their results. Some people have made money with it, some people haven't. So just know that when you're getting into it, that this isn't some magic button. What do I like about this? I love the fact that Demetrius is actually using this. I love the fact that they have real results from not only them, but from their students. If you're looking for a tool for driving free traffic, for getting sales, for being able to find campaigns that are already working and be able to copy them yourself, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out this review today. If you want to take a look at TubeMatic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.